how to make numerical number in Google Sheet. So, for example, you want to set the data of this specific cells for this specific column. Simply right click on the cell and then click on view more cell actions and then select data validation. Set the format into your preference. For example, you want the format to be date. Simply set this and then click on done. So once a user double clicks on this, they'd be able to find the calendar at the bottom of this specific cell. So you can set this into your preferred type of data. For example, you want to set this into a number. Simply set it here into a number. And whenever you add letters and not numbers into the specific section of the cell, the information won't be added unless it's a number. And that is how to make numerical number in Google Sheet.